In this video, I will show you how to generate ideas for creating a marvelous logo, and then creating the logo, and ultimately making a mesmerizing animation for the logo. Let's start. Hello guys, for this video we will make a logo for a brand with initials G, S and 7. Here is letter G, letter S and number 7. Letter G can be written like this. The tail of letter G looks similar to number 7. And the letter S can be written like this. Now we arrange the letters. And this is our logo. Let's head on to our next step. For designing the logo, we will make a grid-like structure. For this, we make a rectangle of 800 into 100 pixel and duplicate it 7 times. Then select all the rectangles, copy and paste in front and rotate 90 degrees. Now we will try to make number 7 first. Now duplicate number 7 and rotate 180 degrees, which will make the left side of letter G. Now we again make grid with line tool and make out the letters G, 7 and S respectively. We repeat the grid making procedure once again. But now we draw an additional line in between two lines. Then we align the 3 consecutive lines. We repeat the process for diagonal lines. For the diagonal lines to align, all the lines upper and lower point should be in a same horizontal line. Then we rearrange the lines to make a stroke type letter G, S and 7. Then we join the vertices by pressing Ctrl J by selecting the anchor points with direct selection tool. Make the stroke of the line 40 with rounded caps and corners. Make the angle 90 degree. Our logo is finished. We can use it in mockups and present it to the client. For the animation part, we bring the picture of the logo in After Effects and scale it properly. Then for reference, we draw a rectangle. Now we trace out the letters G with pen tool. Change line cap to round cap and line join to round join respectively. Align the stroke line. Now extend stroke line as you wish. Add a trim path to the line. Animate start and end parameter from 0 to 100. Move the start parameter a bit right. Reverse the direction of line as animation was going backwards. Change the last frame of start animation to match the starting point of letter G. Change the stroke color. Now select all the keyframe and press F9. Change the speed graph like the following. Our animation for letter G is finished. In this way, we will do the animation for the rest of the letters. This is animation of upper part of S. Lower part of S. And number 7. This is animation of S combinedly. Now we have to arrange the animation in such a way that one stroke doesn't collide with another. First we can see G and 7 collide with each other. So we move 7 a few frames right. Now they don't collide with each other. We repeat the same process for letter G and S. The letters G, S and 7 don't collide anymore. This is our final animation. Thanks for watching and please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel.